Hello Newsmakers tech fans, bit of a different video for you guys today. I have this box in front of me and it is filled with random computer or electronic accessories, I guess. We bought this at an auction on Goodwill's website and I have no idea what's in it. In fact, I was not allowed to peek in the box whatsoever. So we're going to go through and see what's in here. I want to say we've spent like $20, $25 on this box, so hopefully we got some cool stuff in it. And I don't know if we did or not, so if it's all boring stuff, I'm sorry. But regardless, please make sure to support us any way you can by subscribing or supporting us on Patreon or joining our Discord or our Facebook group, all that stuff. Let's go. All right, so inside the box, okay, it's decently full. Let's grab this first. I'm gonna move the box off to the side here and try and figure out what we have. This is Samsonite. A bunch of USB cable. Try me, so you can like grab the cable out and stick your phone in it. Someone should have grabbed a pair of scissors for me to open this stuff for fun, but guess not. Travel accessories, so I guess it's all the cables on a nice like base that you can bring with you and no matter what, you've got every cable you could need. Now if I notice, it's quite outdated. Unless this is... How am I supposed to try this when I can't even... Ta-da. Look at that. I like how it's sticky. It's got suction cups. That's a nice feature so you don't knock it off the table. And yeah, that's the old Samsung connector, the old iPhone connector, mini USB, micro USB, and some proprietary one for Nokia phones. And that's it. So you don't have anything like, you don't have Lightning or USB-C or anything fancy like that. So it's quite outdated, but still nice. Let's see, what's next? Oh, it's an MP3 player. I thought it was just a pair of headphones with like a... No, it's a little... Jacob gets to use the knife a lot today. All right, I got it out. This is made by Slick. We've got some pretty terrible earbuds. Oh, I would not want these in my ears for half a second. Uses mini USB, and here's the actual thing itself. It looks like an iPod Shuffle. If the iPod Shuffle costs $5, it's all plastic, not very nice, and that is a very tiny screen. I don't know if I'd want to watch videos on this like it says. This is, look at this. This is my go-to way to max and relax and watch episodes of The Office. Oh yeah, that's great. So that's probably not like worth it. Let's see, 4 gigabytes internal memory. Very, well, it's broken now. What's next? The selfie wireless shutter button. This is kind of useful if you're a big selfie user. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's just a Bluetooth button to take photos. That's kind of cool. I'm not even gonna bother opening that. You know what a selfie button is gonna look like. This is clearly not a new product. This is the AT&T DECT 6.0 accessory cordless handset. That is a big base. I was going to put this on to demonstrate how it looks, but I don't want to. I don't want to get some new form of infection that has never been documented by mankind before. So we're not. But that's neat. Probably the most worthless thing in here. Because, first of all, it's gross. Okay. Nice rose gold cover. I assume this is like one of those keyboard dock things for a tablet. Question is, what tablet? If it's an iPad, that's, I mean, someone would probably want that. Most other tablets, this was a huge trend, I want to say, like 2012, 2013. Every tablet had to have one of these things. I've never seen someone in public actually using one, though. But I feel like every tablet had one. The keys are, I mean, about on quality with any netbook, so not great. I wish I knew what it was for, but I don't. It looks like it doesn't have any sort of actual physical connector. I'm guessing it just connects via Bluetooth, and it doesn't say. It does vaguely look like a MacBook, so it might be for... yeah, definitely, because it's got the hole for your Apple logo, so that's for a... So it's for some iPad. I don't know. I'm an Android guy. 2.4 gigahertz indoor panel antenna? Okay. Wow, so amazing. This is the quality content you guys came here for, right? What's next? Helion USB pen tablet. That seems kind of cool. Oh, this is pretty cool. Oh, we got a little like ring thing. I don't know what that's for. It's like a little tablet, side up for you to draw on, and it's got a pen that doesn't. Okay, so you just go. That's neat. I'm sure someone would find some good use out of that. Not me personally, because I have the artistic ability of a kindergartner who's asleep. So, but I'm sure we can find someone, one of our friends who's an artist who could get some sort of use out of that. Though they probably already have some nice like Wacom tablets or whatever. What is this? Oh, it's a long-range repeater for Wi-Fi. That's cool. What else have we got in here? Compatible with most smartphone. It's compatible with most smartphone. It's an e-circuit earphones with microphone. Wow, hands-free. But you still got to use your hands to... Never mind. Speaker diameter 15 millimeter. Sensitivity 90 dB. Impedance 320. Frequency range 20 to 20,000 hertz. And it's stereo. I don't know. We might have to replace all of our microphones in the studio with one of these bad boys. What else have we got? Ooh, we got some other neat things. This is cool. It is a solar charger. 8,000 milliamp polymer batteries. Solar charging, input, blah, 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 output. I've never had a solar charger before, but that sounds really cool. I don't know how this one actually... Okay, it's got USB cables at the top. I assume it's dead, but I'm going to hang on to that. That's pretty cool. I might just take that for myself. Oh, it's got a little keychain thing, and it's micro USB cable. That one's pretty nice, I'd say. We're getting pretty low in the box. There's one big thing in the bottom, but I'll save that for last. What is this? I can't really tell by that. So we'll find out. Oh. Hey, this will come in useful if it's not terrible, but it probably is. You got composite to HDMI. Hooray! We've got like 100 of these things already, but never hurts to have one more. Some of them are better with some signals than others, so that one might be useful. And last is the big box from Bamboo. Whoa, this is how does this work? Is this another tablet? Oh, it is. With this, basically the same pen, but this one's considerably bigger. That's pretty cool. I don't know if Bamboo's a good tablet manufacturer or not. I've never heard of them. But if it works, and look at that, this one comes with software and paper, everything you could possibly want in life. And another one of those ring things, cool. And a cap. And that's it. If you've ever used any of these products and can tell me how terrible they are or okay they are, do you think it was worth $20 for all this stuff? What do you think? Do you want to see more videos of random useless technology? That's basically everything we do here, but hey, please make sure to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, leave us a comment down below what you think of this, and join our Discord, Facebook group, all that stuff. You guys know how it works. I'll see you next time.